Ready to dive into the infinite creative possibilities of Minecraft on your MacBook Air? Let's get you set up. First, we need to head to the official Minecraft website. Just open your web browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever you prefer, and type in Minecraft.net and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for a prominent button that says Get Minecraft or something similar. Click on that. This will take you to the page where you can choose your edition. For the most versatile Minecraft experience on a Mac, you'll want to choose the Java edition. Click on the Buy Minecraft or Get It Now button for Java edition. Now, you'll be presented with purchasing options. You can buy directly from the website using your credit or debit card, or if you have a Minecraft gift card, you can redeem it here. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're buying directly. You'll need to create a Mojang account or log in. If you already have one, then proceed to the checkout. Here, you'll enter your payment details securely. Make sure to review your order and confirm the purchase. After a successful purchase, you'll receive a confirmation. Now it's time to download the launcher. Back on the Minecraft website, or sometimes you'll be directed automatically. Find the download link for the macOS launcher. Click that download button. Once the download finished, locate the Minecraft file in your downloads folder. Double-click this file to open it. A small window will appear. You'll see the Minecraft application icon and your applications folder. Simply click and drag the Minecraft icon into the applications folder. Now you have Minecraft installed on your MacBook Air. Find the Minecraft icon in your applications folder or in your dock. Double-click the Minecraft icon to launch the game. You'll see the Minecraft launcher appear. Enter the Mojang or Microsoft account details you used during purchase. Once logged in, you'll see the play button. Click that, and Minecraft will start downloading and installing the game files. This might take a few minutes. And there you have it. You're now ready to start your Minecraft adventure on your MacBook Air. Enjoy building, exploring, and creating